Okay, so today we're gonna show you some drinks made with one of the most See what I have to work with, children. Okay, welcome everybody. Today we're gonna show you some drinks made with the most... Today we're gonna show you some drinks made with one of the most common fruit flavors on earth. Ladies and gentlemen, the orange. I'm Rico, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico. So as I said, this is one of the most common fruit flavors on earth, but personally, it's my least favorite to use in drinks, actually. Well, the reason why you might not see a great deal of drinks that use in orange is purely because it's a little bit boring, to be quite honest. Store-bought orange juice is kind of boring and bland, but we're gonna show you some techniques to elevate your orange juice today. We're gonna make a drink using just the zest. It's a variation of a kamikaze, great martini drink. The Balalaika. We're gonna start off straight away. We're gonna be shaking this drink in our tin. Always start with the cheapest ingredients first. We're gonna take 30 mils of some fresh lemon juice. A good 15 mil of triple sec, which is a orange liqueur. And last but not least, the daddy of all vodkas, Absolut Original Vodka. We want 45 mils going straight in. We're gonna give this a good shake now. We're gonna shake this hard with some ice. Ooh. Don't worry about getting your hands in. This is your home after all. We're gonna take this nice martini glass, Hawthorne strainer, fine strainer. Now, just with a bog standard, run-of-the-mill vegetable peeler, take your, ooh, almost dropped it. Trying to act super cool. Take your orange, get a good bit of zest over it. When you zest, try and zest over the drink, just because any excess oils that spray out while you're doing the zest will enter the drink. And then get down and just, that's what you want. You want to make sure you get all those oils everywhere. Run some around the glass there, drop it in.
Why use the zest instead of just orange juice or a piece of orange? What would be the difference here?
Actually, when most things which are orange flavored use orange in their flavoring, yeah, I got that right. It's usually the flavor from the oils that's actually used rather than the actual flavor of the fruit. So when we spray this over the top of the drink, all those aromas are gonna come all over the drink. So even from like here, it smells like orange, smells like orange, smells like orange from here.
And what is that again?
A balalaika.
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 Well, the nights are longer when it's harvest time for the oranges of Stockholm. And the troubadour sings his timeless rhyme for the oranges of Stockholm. And I slaked my thirst, I ate my fill, and I kissed a maiden fair. And I lost my heart to the oranges of Stockholm. That was a traditional Swedish balalaika ballad.
That was good. Okay, so now we're gonna tell you about aerated fruit juices. This is a technique that was discovered by mistake at Cafe Dante in New York, and it's a guy that I know called Naren Young that put the Garibaldi and the salty dog on his menu with aerated juices. So let's jump straight into it, use those same techniques, and make a screwdriver. We've got the, I can never say this word right, centrifugal juicer. It's just the standard electric juicer that you'd buy from any home appliance store. We're gonna take one whole orange per drink, and we're just gonna throw it in and juice the bad boy.
Ooh, that hurts.
There we go, there we go.
If you just juiced it like, by hand, would you get the same thing? Or is it the centrifuge is that what makes the flavor?
Because it goes so fast, you just get a lot of air into your juice. And the more air, it's just gonna make it more juicy. Like there's oranges and there's fresh orange juice, and they taste like each other. And then they just like store-bought orange juice, which just tastes like store-bought orange juice. It's a completely different flavor profile. We're gonna take one glass. We're gonna take some nice blocks of ice. We've got some nice big blocks today. And they're falling all over the place. And all you're gonna do to this drink, make sure you get Lots of ice. The more ice you got in there, the cooler it's gonna be, the colder it's gonna be. And who doesn't like drinking cold drinks? The magic number, 45 mils, Absolut Original Vodka. And then we're just gonna add the juice. You can see that foaminess, you can see that richness. The screwdriver, everybody.
I'm gonna taste it too.
Oh, that's some good shit. That's so good, but it's not just the juice that you can use within your cocktails. If you save all the skin and the zest, put that to one side, and you can make cordials and syrups which can be used in other drinks as well. But we'll save that for a future episode. But now, we're gonna make the last and final drink of today, the Harvey Wallbanger. Indy, do you wanna come and tell us a story about the Wallbanger?
Really?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, wow, cool, okay, yeah. Hi. Well, the story goes that there was this surfer in California in the 50s named Tom Harvey, and he was this super champion, great surfer. And he lost like a surfing competition. He went to a bar, and he was perhaps not drinking responsibly. He banged his head in frustration against the wall after losing the contest. It's possible there's a true story, but nobody's ever managed to find this famous surfer, Tom Harvey. But there was a guy named Bill.
Let's just make the drink, hey?
Okay.
You know, we just made that screwdriver?
Yep.
Vanilla liqueur. Harvey Wallbanger.
That's the quickest drink sequence we've ever had. All right. It's really good. You could totally see why it got popular.
It's pretty banging. That aerated orange juice makes all the difference.
Yeah. Hang on. All right. Rico, there's one thing.
What's that?
Can you eat a piece of this?
Eat a piece of it.
Look, it's not my idea.
All right, everybody, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed learning drinks with the fantastic and versatile fruit that is the orange. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget to click and subscribe to this fabulous channel, and you will never miss an episode.
Hey, Rico, hey, wait, can I say goodbye today?
Alright, if you'd like to see what you can do with Absolute Grapefruit, man, you can totally click right here for that. But that is it for us for today, okay? So, keep it real, man. Peace out. Alright.